When choosing windows for your home, practicality matters just as much as appearance. Homeowners in Eagle value solutions that offer everyday convenience, reliable performance, and long-term comfort. Slider windows check all those boxes. With their simple operation, space-saving design, and versatile style, slider windows are a practical choice for many Eagle homes, whether you're upgrading older windows or designing a new living space. Simple, easy-to-use operation slider windows operate horizontally along a track, making them incredibly easy to open and close. There's no lifting or cranking required, which is especially helpful for homeowners of all ages. In Eagle homes, this smooth operation makes slider windows ideal for frequently used rooms where convenience matters most, such as living rooms, kitchens, and bedrooms. Space-saving design for flexible layouts. Because slider windows don't open inward or outward, they don't interfere with furniture placement, walkways, or exterior landscaping. For Eagle homeowners, this space-efficient design allows for more flexibility when arranging rooms or placing outdoor features near the window. Ideal for wide window openings. Many Eagle homes feature wide wall openings that benefit from expansive windows. Slider windows are well suited for these spaces, offering large glass panels without the need for multiple separate windows. This design provides broad views and plenty of natural light while maintaining a clean, streamlined look. Reliable ventilation without complexity. Slider windows provide controlled ventilation by allowing one or both panels to slide open. This offers fresh airflow without complicated mechanisms. In Eagle residences, this straightforward ventilation option supports everyday comfort without requiring constant adjustments. Durable performance in changing conditions. Slider windows are built with fewer moving parts than some other window styles, which can contribute to long-term reliability. For Eagle homeowners, this durability means less wear over time and dependable performance through seasonal changes. Low maintenance. Convenience. Maintaining windows shouldn't add stress to your routine. Slider windows are generally easy to clean and maintain, with smooth surfaces that resist buildup. In Eagle homes, this low-maintenance feature is especially appealing to busy households. Versatile style that fits many home designs. Slider windows complement a wide range of architectural styles, from modern to traditional. Their simple design blends seamlessly into many home exteriors and interiors. For Eagle homeowners, this versatility makes slider windows a flexible choice that won't feel out of place. Enhanced natural light. With their large glass panels, slider windows allow plenty of sunlight into the home. In Eagle living spaces, this added natural light brightens interiors and enhances the overall atmosphere. Professional installation ensures best results. Proper installation is key to ensuring slider windows operate smoothly and seal correctly. Professional installation helps Eagle homeowners avoid issues like air leaks or misalignment, ensuring long-term comfort and performance. A practical solution for Eagle homes. Slider windows offer a combination of ease, flexibility, and reliability that makes them a smart choice for many Eagle homes. With simple operation, space-saving design, and low maintenance needs, they deliver everyday practicality without sacrificing comfort or style.